Look, y'all, my place is kind of clean, except for the empty water bottles and the backpack.
I love it here because there's plenty of room to run around.
But anyway, now I'm gonna go hit up Domino's. Gonna try that little pizza. Hit y'all with the review. Let's get it. Alright, here it is, here it is. Oh. It's kind of dark in here, no? Let me turn on the lights. Ah, that's better. Alright, let's pop this bad boy open. Oh, it's already kind of open, but you know what I mean. This is Japanese Domino's. Looks exactly the same. Whew. Oh man, I really need a fucking desk, like a chair. Are you kidding me? I'm living like this, man. Pick me up some vitamin water. So that's all you really need at a time like this, you know? Let's see. I went ahead and got the tropical. Comes with ham, pineapple, and corn. Japanese like corn on their pizza, I guess. It's pretty good. Japanese Domino's gets a thumbs up. Where are my napkins at? I'm a fucking mess. Pretty damn good. And if you know me, you know I'm a pineapple guy, so I bought some sliced pineapples. I'm gonna add this bad boy on top of here. I'm a pineapple fiend. Ooh, thank you guys for tuning in to I guess the first food review. Look at this, man. Let me show you all the corn, man. It's crazy. Look at that. You can see a little corn right there. Another one right there. Ain't that some shit?
You are not the father!
Yeah, man, so that was Domino's pizza. I think it's a lot like the US pizza. I don't really eat it a lot though in the US, so y'all can tell me. Damn, it's windy as hell. I do want to talk more in my videos, but my apartment walls are so thin. I know my neighbors hear every little fucking word I'm saying. I don't want to be rude, you know? It's nighttime. Everyone's trying to relax from work and shit. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. And I'm out here wearing this dumbass fucking mask, bro. When I don't wear a mask and I go to the supermarket, everyone looks at me like I got a fucking 10-inch dildo sticking out my forehead or something, dude. Everyone is just repulsed if I don't wear a mask when I go to the supermarket. It's crazy, man. All the fear mongering and everything that's going around right now. All this bullshit making everyone depressed. Making everyone fucking sad. People are too scared to even go outside. That's crazy, man. Shit, someone sneezed. I got startled, man. What kind of bullshit is that? It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna enjoy it. don't give two fucks.
What am I worried about? I got plenty of friends. I can name 3 right off the bat. The gang's all here. Oh!